So you've probably recorded one instructional video, and if you haven't already, you're about to. But just recording an instructional video isn't enough. There are ways that we can enhance the viewing process to ensure that students are actually engaged throughout. So we have two core video engagement tools that we think are incredibly important to actually understanding what it's like to build an effective instructional video. The reality is sitting and watching can be boring. That's not what we want. So instead, we've come up with ways to ensure that when a student is watching the video, they're actually physically engaging with the content. The first is to embed questions. So we use a program called EdPuzzle, and this program allows you to embed checks for understanding. And more importantly, you can actually monitor student engagement with the videos. You can track who's watching it and who isn't. And you can see the responses to the questions that you've embedded. The next is guided notes. Provide students with guided notes templates. And what this does is it ensures that students, while watching, are actually writing down what you're writing. But in addition to that, it actually creates an accountability measure. So that when students ask questions about the content, you can actually tell them to take those guided notes out and you can ask them to refer to it. And if they haven't actually taken down their notes effectively, you can direct them back to the video to ensure that they're learning some of those really important habits of mind for successful learners. And the reality is the research shows that these tools and these strategies can significantly improve student retention of material. It's just the reality. So these are really great ways to ensure that videos aren't just effectively built, but they're also engaging.